her up, please.
Please introduce your pick-me-up. That is
That is Phoebe.
Phoebe.
This is Phoebe.
And this is
This is Nori.
Nori and Phoebe.
No,
And
sit.
this is a photo bomber called Kola. You might want to tell me your names as well.
My name's Payal.
Payal, hi.
I'm Soumya.
Soumya and Payal with Nori and
Phoebe.
Phoebe. And tell us their story. Tell us how come you have these beautiful indies. And also, which other parts of the country do you want to go to and pick up a dog?
So Phoebe is 4 years old and she was rescued from Pune.
Pune.
And I was a bachelor then, and I just had one roommate with me. And but however, Phoebe came to me roughly during September of 2020. And I initially just fostered her for 15 days, but then I ended up adopting her because I couldn't just let her go.
I can imagine. But how did she come to you? How did you find her?
So my neighbor actually told me one night that I heard that you are looking for a dog, and I was being denied by a lot of local rescuers to have a dog because they thought a bachelor,
Single, yeah.
a single guy. That too, I was in a bank, so working even during COVID in office. So all of that didn't work out well for most people. But someone just heard my story, and then they said a dog is better at your house than on the street. So then we took our chances, and yeah, so it worked out.
And so that is a story of
Phoebe.
Hello,
Okay, so
Phoebe.
if I may add,
Yes, of course.
Phoebe was from a litter of 8 puppies.
Huh.
She was the only one who was black. The others were black and white and brown. Either white or brown or a combination of white. and
Really,
brown.
how strange.
So nobody wanted to adopt a black Indian. Others got adopted. So
She
we
was the
were
last
like-
one.
And she was female. So these things never let her be adopted by others. And he was like, I'm not worried about the color. That doesn't matter to me. I just need a dog. That's
And
how
he just got a
we ended
dog.
up having Phoebe.
Phoebe, which is so sweet. And now, madam, you tell me about you and your story.
So this is Nori. She's a year old. She actually turned 1 year on November 1.
Remember what? Oh, that's day for yesterday. Happy Diwali and happy belated birthday, baby. Yeah.
So the thing is, I used to study in a college in Bihar at
Yeah.
IIT Patna,
Yeah.
and that campus is unfortunately very, very anti dogs.
Yeah.
Her mom was my hostel dog. She was a community dog, but unfortunately her siblings passed away because of parvo. Her mom was the only survivor. So the doctor said that because she's so lean and thin, we can't get her spayed so early, and her mom ended up becoming pregnant.
Oh.
She was first of the litter. Unfortunately, one of the faculties ran over her hip. So I got her hip bone. This was broken into 2. I got it. So I got it operated, and then
She got a plate?
she got a huge rod. This
Ah.
one. But because she was so tiny, and then they didn't let me keep her with me post surgery, so the rod tore off her skin twice. And then we ended up
So sad.
Yeah, we ended up keeping her in a hostel just to get her cured.
Yeah.
And then in the meantime, he said, you know what, do whatever you can. I'm not in Bihar.
Huh.
What we can do is we'll plan a 1 AC ticket
Huh.
in a train and we'll bring her home. We cannot let her go outside because the doctor said she might get a tumor if this continues. So then we ended up bringing her
Booked a
home.
180 and
That coupe thing, and you
Yeah, coupe
came
thing.
back.
I think, and then we got her home.
we got her
That's
from
how she's
Patna to
adopted.
Bangalore.
So she's made quite a journey. So we've got.
Actually, even she has had a journey. The thing is, when we got married,
Yeah.
nobody was even ready to keep her in a boarding. We never got a boarding. So like 20 days before our wedding, he went to a shop, car.
Showroom.
He went to a showroom and bought a car overnight just for Phoebe, and he drove from Pune. We live in Bhubaneswar. It was a 3-day journey. He did it all by himself for Phoebe.
Phoebe!
Both of them have interesting stories.
I can tell you that. And the story of love and sacrifice. And anything for my dog. Anything for my
So
dog.
our home, our everything is like dog friendly. It's not human friendly.
Imagine.
Even we have a board saying beware of humans, pets are friendly.
I'm so happy to hear that. And there she is floating around, just living a happy life without realizing her parents have had so much of drama thanks to her. But isn't it just so worth it? So worth it.
More?
And you are in Harloor, you said. So I'd love for you to join the squad. But I can't tell you that we have lots of stories like you, but we're having increasing number of stories. May not be as detailed and as multi-city as you have. So Pune, Bhubaneswar, Patna, Bangalore, but eventually you've come home. And as long as they are there, you know you're always home, right?
Yes.
So are we indie proud?
We are definitely.
And you have
Nothing
two
better than
beautiful
Indies.
indies. Beautiful indies. And you never really thought, right? That was you wanted a dog that was...
And if I may add, I mean, I'd like to add two things. First thing is we do not belong to families which are dog friendly. Our parents are not dog friendly. We have had to fight with our parents because we want to adopt dogs and all. So we have that journey. We come from a non-pet friendly family, and then now we are into pets.
Yep.
And the second thing is, I mean,
And she's just thrown out her collar.
she
So
threw
she's...
away her- she
Which is
doesn't
why.
like dresses or collars.
Even though she became 1 year old day before yesterday.
And she's over.
What do you think? No, she's not. No, she's not. Phoebe, what do you think? Finish smelling around. Finish smelling around.
And one important thing which I would like to add is we are a newly married couple, but if I may give you my personal experience, they have been our unpaid therapists. As couples, we fight a lot less, we adjust a lot more, we kind of tone down a lot faster than
Quickly.
preferably other couples do. So I would like to add that they are huge therapists. They act like they're really...
And they always diffuse the situation. Because, you know, no family and no marriage and no relationship is ever free without its peaks and ups and downs. But at the end of it, it's always about them,
And the
right?
interesting fact is they don't speak.
Huh.
And yet they do that.
They do.
Why would I pay a speaker to get a therapy?
You'd still take a charge from these parents. You get something organized, okay? They're getting you for free, they're therapists. But these are stories, and I hope that you always share your stories. This is Chutki, this is Kola. I hope you'll always share your stories because what you may not know is every time you share a story, there's somebody who says, "Hi, I would love to."
There is a dog with a lot of magnets and she needs a split leash.
Okay.